Oh, what the hell is this thing? He bit me!
Oh God.
I'm gonna grab him. Pass me him.
Oh, okay. Sure. But I can't reach him. Someone there.
Got him. Get him. Put him on my head.
Head?
Yeah. Okay. Did he escape?
No.
I got. Oh my God. I got him. Okay, we're gonna name him Toothless. What?